I recently tested Eyezy on an Android device, expecting a smooth installation and top-tier monitoring features. But right away, I ran into several issues that made me question if this app was worth using. The installation process wasn't as easy as I expected, and after setting it up, I found out that Eyezy lacks some crucial monitoring features. That's when I switched to Mobix, and the difference was night and day. If you want to follow along, click the link in the description to sign up for a free trial. There will be exclusive discounts as well, but more on that later. Installing Eyezy on Android requires multiple steps, including disabling Play Protect, granting extensive permissions, and tweaking phone settings to ensure the app functions properly. If you're not tech-savvy, this process can be overwhelming. Once installed, Eyezy provides some basic monitoring, but there's a big catch: it doesn't offer real-time updates on messages, calls, or social media activity. That means you might not see conversations as they happen, which is a major drawback. That's where Mobix shines. Here's why Mobix is the superior choice for Android monitoring. Instant message and call tracking. Mobix gives you real-time access to texts and calls, even deleted ones. Eyezy doesn't provide instant updates, making it unreliable. Full social media monitoring. With Mobix, you can monitor apps like Snapchat, WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, and more, something Eyezy can't fully support. Live GPS tracking. Mobix updates the location in real time, ensuring you always know where the device is. Eyezy has limited location tracking that may not refresh accurately. Stealth mode. Mobix runs completely hidden, making sure the target user doesn't detect it. Eyezy is more visible and easier to remove. Better customer support. Mobix offers 24/7 assistance, helping you resolve any issues fast. Eyezy's support is slower and harder to reach. If you're finding this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss out on more valuable tips and guides. After testing both, I can confidently say that Mobix is the better option for Android monitoring. It's easier to install, provides real-time tracking, and ensures complete visibility into the device's activity. Use the link in the description to try Mobix and unlock exclusive discounts and bonuses.